The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 could disappoint you. So as the leaks and rumors are floating around about the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, we got some really disgusting news that the Galaxy Note 20 series is going to be powered by same Exynos 990 chipset which was used in the S20 series, while they will use the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset in the countries like USA, Canada, South Korea and China. So besides this heartbreaking news, we have a good news too from the Galaxy Club that the Galaxy Note 20 will have a LTE only variant as well. In case if you don't know what LTE is, in a simple language, it is an upgrade version of 4G network, but not much upgrade versions, so that we could call it next generation. The Galaxy Club has confirmed that the Samsung is currently developing a Galaxy Note 20 LTE variant along with the 5G variant. As we all know that the 5G phones cost pretty expensive, we can expect that the LTE variant will have a lower price compared to the 5G variant, and that's a great relief. It looks like the LTE variant is for the European market at the very least, but even across the Europe, availability for the Note 20 LTE and 5G models could differ from one country to another, like we have seen in the S20 LTE variants. Just a week before, we saw the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra promo video which looks exactly same to the image of the Note 20 Ultra which was accidentally leaked in the official website of Samsung. This copper color is the coolest color I've ever seen in the smartphone, and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra consists a rectangular camera module as expected, and it have a triple camera setup at the back with ultra wide camera lens, a primary camera and a periscope zoom camera which can zoom up to 50x. The Galaxy Note 20 has around 6.4-inch Full HD Plus resolution with 120Hz refresh rate, and the Note 20 Ultra will have 6.9-inch display with Quad HD Plus resolution at 120Hz refresh rate, which is absent in the S20 Ultra. We were really hoping this phone to be the most powerful smartphone out there, but unfortunately it's not happening, since we heard it will use the most terrible and horrifying chipset, that is obviously the Exynos 990. The Exynos 992 was the last hope to get the trust back to the Exynos, but now the Note 20 with Exynos 990 chipset could be the worst smartphone with that price range, while the same phone with 865 Plus chipset will be insanely powerful, since the new Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset is 10% more faster than the Snapdragon 865 in terms of CPU and GPU as well. One thing I'm most curious to know about is the S Pen's unique feature, which is still a mystery. Recently, an image tweeted by YouTuber Jimmy is Pro reveals a possible new pointer mode which could turn the S Pen into a digital pointer. The S Pen could work well as an always available wireless mouse for use within decks. Besides this feature, we have no clue about other feature of the S Pen till now. Talking about the price, the regular Galaxy Note 20 could cost $999, while the Note 20 Ultra could cost $1,299. Since the Galaxy Note 20 or the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is not the best smartphone to buy in 2020, which one is the real king? Well, that's a pretty easy question, because it's obviously the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. This smartphone gonna change your mind from buying the expensive Note 20 Ultra. None other than the Ice Universe claims that the phone will be powered by Snapdragon 865 chipset with rocking the 120Hz refresh rate, a 3.3mm punch hole cutout, IP68 rating, and most excitingly, its price is nice. Yes guys, it's gonna be the most affordable phone with 120Hz refresh rate, and it's likely to be launched in the late October. So I highly suggest everyone to wait for the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition than pouring all your money to the Galaxy Note 20 series. I know it's not the most powerful phone, but it's likely to come in $600 to $700, so in that price range it's absolutely awesome. So that's all we got for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to our channel for latest tech updates.